भलायकी सेवा संचालनालयाचे उपसंचालक डॉक्टर कल्पना महात्मेन वेक्टर बॉर्न रोगांचेर जागरूकताय आणि जतनाय घेवपाचेर भर दिवपी भाषण केले. भारतीय रेड क्रॉस कार्यालयात ही खाशेली कार्यावळ जाली. JRC YRC विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर ही कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडली. व्हडा संख्येन ह्या भुरग्यांनी कार्यावळीचो लाव घेतलो. पळयात.
As I'm really thankful to Red Cross for arranging this talk on vector-borne disease, which is the need of the hour for youth Red Cross and junior Red Cross children who can spread this message to the community. Because at the moment the cases, because of rains and because of various reasons, the dengue cases are on the rise. So we need the community support. This year's theme for National Dengue Day was connect with community to control dengue. So we need community support, and who else more important than these students who can be our ambassadors, and parents are more receptive to the children when they tell the prevention, how to prevent, and it is not a big deal. Each person can take care of their own house or own playground or own these premises. Do not allow water to stagnate for more than 7 days. In case it is very difficult to cover the lids, cover the barrels, then they can always break the cycle of the life cycle of the mosquito by throwing off the water within 2 to 3 days. And a lot of information, and it was an informative talk, and there was a lot of interaction between the students. So I'm very happy, and I thank the chairman, Dr. Mr. Gaurish Don, and John Aguiar for arranging this, so that what we need at the moment, I as a deputy director for National Vector-Borne Disease, is support from community. At all this time we were trying to get support, intersectoral coordination from other departments, and now it is the time that the community supports puts in their efforts to control. Without community support, control of dengue is very difficult. Thank you very much.
Madam, you already spoke about the swimming pools. What exactly you say?
What happens is swimming pools, most of the housing societies have swimming pools. If they are in use, then it is well and good. If it is not in use, then becomes a breeding ground for mosquitoes, because any water stagnated for more than 7 days are a breeding ground for mosquito. Even in hotels like Kalangut, Kandoli, we are having this problem because some of the hotels have closed down, and they have swimming pools in their campus, and that has become a breeding ground. So then we tell them either to pump the water out, or then introduce fish in that as a measure to prevent breeding.
आज आम्ही इंडियन रेड क्रॉस सोसायटीचे वतीन आणि गोवा हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट वेक्टर-बोर्न डिजीजचे आमचे डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर कल्पना महात्मेन आज एक कार्यक्रम आम्ही आयोजित केल्लो पणजी रेड क्रॉसान. आमची वेगळी वेगळी स्कुलां आसा जे जुनियर रेड क्रॉस आनी यूथ रेड क्रॉस विंग्स आसा. तातूंतल्यान आमी 4-5 स्कुलांक आज आपयल्लीं आमंत्रण दिवन, की आमचो हॉलूय ल्हान आसा, त्या खातीर 5-4 स्कुलांनी भुरगीं व्हॉलंटियर्स येवन, तांचे टिचर्स येवन कल्पनाबाईन बरें सुंदरशें तांकां स्लायड शो आनी तांकां प्रदर्शन केलें कशें ब्रीड जावंक शकता आनी कशें आमी वाचोवंक शकता. एक सादें उदाहरण म्हणत जाल्यार टायर. घरांनी खुबशे आमच्यो गाडयो बिडयो अशें काडून टायर सायडीक दवरता. टायरान प्रत्येक भितर उदक सांठूंक शकता. बार्जी म्हणत, आनी ताणें तेंय उदाहरण दिलें. बार्जी, बोटी नुस्त्याच्यो आतां बंद जाल्ल्यो आसा, तांकां सायडीन टायर्स आसता. तातूंत समजा थोडी माती जाली किंवा थंय बारीक बुराक मारून तें उदक गेलें जाल्यार मलेरिया थंय बंद जावंक शकता. स्विमींग पुलाचें ताणें उदाहरण दिलो. खुबशीं हॉटेलां आतां ऑफ सिजना खातीर कलंगूट सायडीक बी बंद आसता. तांच्यांनी जरी ड्राय केला पूल, पण पावसान उदक सांठून तें परतें उरता. मागीर तातूंत एटलिस्ट तांच्यांनी कितें तरी काळजी घेवची किंवा काडचें उदक एक 4-4 दिसान आनी तें सायकल मोडची. आतां आज आमी आमचे रेड क्रॉस व्हॉलंटियर्सांक, जे आमचे जुनियर रेड क्रॉस आनी यूथ रेड क्रॉस भुरगीं आयिल्लीं, तांकां आमी एम्बेसिडर्स म्हणल्या, कित्याक ती वचून तांची स्कुलान शिकयतली भुरग्यांक, स्कुलान भुरग्यांक एज्युकेट करतली ह्या तरेतरेचे जंतूचे बरोबर. म्हणजे कशी मस्किटोज ब्रिडींग जाता, कशें मलेरिया जाता, कशें डेंगू जाता, कशें फिलेरिया जावंक शकता. आनी जे पद्दतीन दोतोर कल्पनान तांकां सांगलां.
She gave us a very brief knowledge on many things that we did not know, on how to, when in local areas, in barrels, people collect water because they don't get water very frequently. She explained that we have to change or throw out the water in an interval of 2 or 3 days. She also gave us a knowledge on which type of mosquitoes breed in which water. It was a very wonderful talk. She explained very briefly and nicely. And then how we need to spread it to our community. We as an individual first have to do it ourselves and then spread the awareness in our community. I would like to thank the Red Cross for organizing such a wonderful talk, and the health department as well.
So today I have learned something from here, and I'm thanking Miss Kalpana. So she explained what should we have to do. We shouldn't store the water in tires or anything else. We should throw it out. It causes diseases in our bodies. So I'm very happy that she explained all the things, and I thank a lot everyone and health department. Thank you. And Red Cross also. So I'm thanking a lot. Thank you.
Before you knew these things, what she explained, no? Before attending, you knew what you have to do.
Yes, our school has also explained these things, but today she explained and it goes in my mind exactly at the point.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, मनीषा जाधव आणि संगीता ओली.